everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I'm fresh faced. I just washed my face and I just put some products on because it is now fall and my skin is kind of getting a little bit dry. I used my Good Molecules niacinamide serum today, and I also used my Glam Glow moisture drip. I think I'll put a little bit more because I'm not feeling very hydrated at the moment. It's just very dry. So to start, let's go ahead and prime my face. I'm going to be using the Too Faced Hangover RX primer. This is a replenishing face primer and it has coconut water, probiotic based ingredients, and skin revivers. So I actually love this primer when I want something more hydrating, and like I mentioned, my face is feeling very dry since it's getting colder. So this is a perfect product for me. It's more on the milky side, if that makes sense. Like, you know how some primers can be very thick and you can definitely tell that they have silicones. This one is actually silicone free and it is very hydrating. So I love this primer for that reason, and it smells so good. It smells divine actually. It smells like the tropics. It smells like home. Using my YSL foundation today. This is the YSL Touche Éclat. This is the Radiance Awakening foundation. Don't mind the foundation that I already have on half of my face on this side. I mean, it would be ideal to use my Too Faced foundation, but one, I have my Too Faced foundation in my summer shade, not my winter shade, and I'm kind of transitioning right now. I'm in that lizard period, that chameleon period. So of course, you know, this is the lightest one that I have, so this is the one that's going to match best for me. I actually went to the makeup museum, a virtual tour of the makeup museum a few days ago. I joined a few of the other members of the Cosmetic Executive Women group. We had like a free hosting of the makeup museum that is currently based in New York City. We were able to see a virtual tour of the place, and I mean, I actually love the concept. Even though I work primarily in skincare, I still do love makeup, as most women do, and men. You know, makeup is not gender specific, it's inclusive, or it should be. Makeup should be inclusive. So the theme for the makeup museum, you want to get your hairline too. That's why I'm wearing this thing right here, so that I can actually, you know, not put foundation on my hair, but I can get to my hairline. Anyway, the theme for the makeup museum is Pink Jungle 1950s makeup in America. It really looks at the history of makeup. We know that makeup has been around for a while, from the beginning of time, you know, with the ancient Egyptians, Queen Cleopatra. You know, people were really embracing makeup. The thing back then is that it was pretty toxic. They were just using anything that they could find, but otherwise, I mean, the concept of makeup has been around for a very long time. During my virtual tour, there were displays of makeup for from way back when, from like the 1910s, 1920s, early 1900s to even the late 1900s, and you could actually see how the packaging and the formulation changed over time. You had some compact powders that were very extravagant, and honestly only people of like high prestige, you know, high class could really afford stuff like that. Makeup, I think back then, was a time of like showing what your class was. But now I feel like makeup is more inclusive. Anyone can go to the store and pick up something, whether it be $100 or whether it be $5, you can still get that. We discussed the history of inclusion and diversity in makeup. So I know that none of us are strangers to how problematic, quote unquote, the makeup industry and the beauty industry overall can be. This is an issue in the industry that has been going around for a very long time. I mean, ultimately, all brands want their makeup to be inclusive. You don't want to miss out on a market that could potentially bring you revenue, bring you exposure, bring you new clientele by completely separating one group of people. However, it does happen sometimes. We feel like one thing that people are definitely asking for so much that sometimes it feels repetitive and redundant is to expand your shade range. There's no need that a brand should only have 20 shades. We don't live in a world, we don't live in a society where people are only 20 shades. Alright, so now I'm going to contour a little bit. You can see that my face doesn't have much dimension right now. Like, it just looks like a flat pancake. So I'm going to contour a little bit just to add some dimension, to add some grade, to add, you know, just a little depth to my face. So I'm gonna use actually this Anastasia Beverly Hills Espresso Stick Foundation. It's pretty dark, don't worry about it. I'm really just trying to figure out my life right now because I'm in between shades and I don't want to buy something permanent, but you know, I've had this for a while. So I'm gonna use this to contour. I'm gonna go around my forehead. I'm gonna go right here between my little, you know, my little cheekbones, and then I'm gonna go under here. Yeah, this seems cool. I know that people contour their nose. I'm honestly not the best with contouring my nose, but let's see. Let's try it. Baking, I am going to start on my eyeshadow. So I have two eyeshadow palettes right here that I'm thinking would be great. These are both Smashbox. I love this one from Smashbox. This is the LA Cover Shot Eye Palette. This is what it looks like on the inside. It's a beautiful, beautiful palette, I would say. The colors are absolutely wonderful. You have a good mix of like matte and shimmers. You have a few shimmers in there, but the matte colors look amazing. And then I also have this one here. This is the Photo Edit eyeshadow trio. So if you know the history behind Smashbox, you know that it really is like a photo studio. So I kind of like the concept behind this one. This is like a camera lens. And this is just 3 shadows, but I'm gonna be using this green one right here, this green sparkle. I'm gonna use this right here, this rust looking color as my base color, and I'm also gonna add I'd say this brown looking color, and then I'm gonna jump to this and use the green, because green is really what I want to use to make my eyes pop. So let's go ahead and add the base color. I'm gonna add some bronzer right now because I do need some, I need to bronze my face up a little bit. I'm using my Tom Ford bronzer. I am going to use my Becca blush. This is the Luminous blush in the shade or color Dahlia. It's not a bright pink, it's like a very warm pink. Oh my god. That's a little bit too much. But yeah, this is enough blush for me, I think. Gives a little like addition to the face, but not too much. Too Faced Hangover RX setting spray. This is in the same line as the primer. I'm going to use, what is it called? Yeah, it's called a smudging matte eyeliner. Best invention when it comes to like adding a smoky look towards the under eyeline. Okay. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills and Amrezy collaboration, and I'm just gonna put that right on top of my blush. It's gonna be at the highest point of my cheekbone. So let's add some mascara. This is the Smashbox Full Exposure Mascara. I need length, sweetie, because I'm not adding lashes. Honestly, myself and lashes, we don't work out. I can't do it. Like if I put on lashes, I'm gonna be looking like this. I can't do lashes. I'm just not a lash person. Okay, so like this mascara, this no mascara, and this is MAC lip gloss, and this is, I don't know what shade this is, but pretty nude, kind of like a pinky nude. All right, so this is the finished look. Alright, so let me go fix my hair, let me go change my top, and then I'll be back with you guys. Okay, I'm back. Here is the final look. I got this from Pretty Little Thing. I just got a package from Sephora. This is the Sephora brand, the Peppermint Hair Cleansing Scrub. I got this because I really wanted to get like a scalp scrub. I have been like very much into my hair. I'm growing my hair back, as you can see. This is, let me see what it says. This is in French. It detoxifies your hair with a sea salt hair cleansing scrub that cleans, purifies, and rebalances. Let's see, this would be my first time trying a hair scrub, so let's see how I like it. Hopefully I do. But this Sephora brand, because it's my first time, I didn't want to spend like 40 or 50 on a hair scrub that I see a few of them ranging in that price. This one was only $7, I think. I mean, I can't really, if I don't like it, I don't like it. I didn't lose that much money, so. Alright, so this one I'm actually pretty excited about. So this is from Grwm. Is that how you pronounce it? This is their Merry Multi-Masking Nourish, Repair, and Hydrate Christmas box. Is this a Christmas box? No, I got it really because of this bear. I think it's only done ever so often, like they don't do it often. And I was looking at a few of the reviews, and a lot of people seem pretty excited to see that this product in particular was back. So I decided that I was going to go ahead and get it. So yeah, it comes with the Honey Moisture Deep Conditioning Mask. It also has the Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask, and it has the Avocado Kiwi Mega Moisture Superfood Mask. So 3 different masks. I'm pretty excited because, you know, it's coming up to winter. My hair ends are a little bit dry right now, and I need all the moisture that I can get. So I got this Moroccan Oil all-in-one leave-in conditioner. It's for hydration and it's for all hair types. It claims that it instantly detangles and gives 72-hour softness. For some reason, like this side of my hair is pretty fine, but this side is always very frizzy. I do love Moroccan Oil products, so I'm hoping that this leave-in conditioner is perfect for me. I want sleek, I want shiny, I want full, I want healthy hair. Like I've just been having a really crazy obsession with my hair lately. I guess because it's growing back and I haven't had it this length in a while, so I just really wanted to look healthy and happy and great. Yeah. And I also got this Living Proof Frizz Vanishing Oil. So this said that it stops frizz and it adds healthy shine. Like I said, I do want shine and I want sleek, no frizz. And I saw some really good reviews on this oil. Honestly, I'm not a big fan of oil because I don't like when my hair is too heavy. I don't like when it just droops. But I heard that this one, well, from some of the reviews that I was reading, I read that it actually doesn't make your hair feel too heavy or too coated with oil, which is exactly what I'm looking for. So hopefully this oil does not disappoint. I also got, this is the first time I'm hearing of this brand. It's from Jack Black. It's the Intense Therapy Lip Balm. The lip balm that I normally use is the Dior Lip Glow Color Reviver Balm, but honestly, this is quite expensive. I think this is probably $40, and to be using it for $40 every day is not very cost efficient. Like, I run through these every 2-3 weeks, and I just, you know, at some point I need to be saving these for like special occasions, really. And especially now when I'm putting on my lip balm, my Dior lip balm, to go outside with a mask on. No one's even seeing my lips, yet still I'm using the most expensive thing. No. So I decided to try this alternative. It is a skin protectant. It has SPF 25 sunscreen, and this is in the natural mint and shea butter flavor. I figured this would be a cheaper alternative, but the reviews were good, so this would be perfect for everyday use. Let's see how I like it. It's quite small. This is just 0.25 ounces. But yeah, let me see if I like it, and if I do, then I'll probably use this as my everyday replacement for my lip balm. Okay, but this one I am extremely excited about. Are you guys ready? This is from Shani Darden. This is the Retinol Reform Serum. Honestly, I'm a big fan of serums. My most precious and my most prized skincare products, Rocco, mommy's working. My most precious and my most prized skincare products are serums. I really do enjoy having a range of serums, and I feel like they deliver the most when it comes to actives for skincare. So I decided to splurge on this Retinol Reform from Shani Darden. It is a retinol and lactic acid serum. The claim is that it improves the appearance of fine lines, uneven tone, and it brightens. So I mean, you can never really go wrong with retinol, and I feel like this is perfect for people that are just starting out. I don't think I need prescription retinol. Like, there's nothing really severe with my skin that I need to incorporate that much retinol, but I figured that this would be a good over-the-counter option when it comes to retinol. I heard that it's pretty gentle, but it's effective, which is what I'm looking for. They claim that this is great for all skin types except sensitive skin. So if you have sensitive skin, you probably want to stay away from this. I don't have sensitive skin, so yeah, me. And this is also cruelty-free, vegan, oil-free, and fragrance-free. So I'm really excited about this. This came in at a whopping price point of $88. So that was a splurge, but I still got it because, you know, skincare is an investment. So hopefully you guys enjoyed my get ready with me video / Sephora haul / screaming at Rocco. I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure you hit that like button, leave a comment below if you have any suggestions for things that you'd want to see in my upcoming videos, and also subscribe. Make sure you subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Is this all I bought? For $200, this feels like not that much.